Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of WeAre8, a platform that claims you can earn real money just by watching ads. But with a twist. Instead of forcing ads on you like traditional social media, WeAre8 says you can choose when to watch and you get paid for your attention, and some of that money even goes to good causes. So in this video, we'll see its main features, how much you can realistically earn, and whether WeAre8 is really the highest paying ad watching platform in 2026. Let's get started. WeAre8 positions itself as the people's platform. The big idea behind it is simple but ambitious. Instead of big tech companies making billions from ads while users get nothing, WeAre8 wants to pay users directly for their attention. On traditional social media platforms, ads are constantly injected into your feeds. You don't choose them, you don't get paid for them, and your data is usually the real product. WeAre8 claims to flip that model by letting users opt in to ads and get rewarded for watching them. Another major part of WeAre8's identity is purpose. The platform isn't just about earning money. It also promotes social impact. According to its messaging, ad revenue is split between users, charities, and environmental initiatives. This means when you watch an ad, you're not just earning a few cents for yourself, but you're also contributing to causes like climate action and community support. So instead of being another endless scrolling app, WeAre8 wants to be a conscious social platform where your time actually has value. Most ads are short, usually between 15 seconds to 90 seconds. And after watching, you may be asked a very quick question or poll just to confirm engagement. And once completed, your earnings are added to your balance. Over time, you can build your earnings and withdraw them once you reach the minimum payout threshold. And depending on your region, payouts are typically sent through online payment services or can be donated directly to charity. Now let us talk about the main features of the platform. Opt-in advertising. You decide when and if you want to watch ads. Nothing is forced into your feed. User rewards. You get paid directly for your time and attention rather than just giving it away for free. Short, simple engagements. Ads are usually quick, making it easy to earn small amounts without investing a lot of time. Social impact model. Part of the ad revenue is directed toward charities and environmental causes, which adds a purpose-driven angle to the platform. It is free to use. There are no subscriptions, no hidden fees, and no upfront costs. Now let us talk about the pricing. WeAre8 is completely free to use, as earlier mentioned. You don't pay anything, instead you earn. But this is where expectations need to be realistic. Each ad typically pays a very small amount. Individually, it's not much. It's just about a few cents per ad. But if the ads are consistently available, it can add up slowly over time. Now, what are the pros and cons of using WeAre8? First, the pros. You can earn money for something people normally do for free. The ads are optional and is not forced. There's no financial risk since it's free, and it promotes social and environmental causes. It's very easy to use even for beginners. And the cons? Ads are not always available. The earnings are very small per ad and is not suitable for anyone looking for reliable or high income. So, is WeAre8 really worth it, and is it a good way to make money? Here's the honest answer. WeAre8 has one of the most ethical and user-friendly ideas in the ad watching space. Paying users for attention, giving back to charities, and removing forced ads is a refreshing change from traditional social media. However, when it comes to pure earning potential, WeAre8 is not the highest paying ad watching platform in 2026. So in short, WeAre8 is more about fairness and values than high earnings. It's a nice bonus platform, but it's not a serious money maker. And that's it on the review of WeAre8. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore survey and reward platforms, user testing platforms, and market research apps. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.